of the cathode ray, a whisper born in '82, not of pit or ghosts or space, but a shape of sky blue hue. The teeth and the crown, the silent myth, hidden in a bargain bin of time. One man swears a sacred oath, the blue shell shall be mine. Canyons and the digital tides of the web, he traded the gold of his youth as the hobby began to end. He braved the storm